Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Rzr clutch parts is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components for any off-road enthusiast looking to maximize their vehicle's performance and longevity, ensuring that every ounce of power is efficiently transferred to the wheels for an exhilarating ride across challenging terrains. Number 5. Polaris Primary Drive Clutch Puller. Introducing the Primary Drive Clutch Puller, specifically designed for a wide range of Polaris models. This tool ensures efficient removal of your drive clutch. It's engineered to fit numerous Polaris ATV, UTV, and snowmobile models from 1985 to 2016. Please check the fitment details to ensure it's right for your vehicle. With its precise machining in 3/4 to 16 thread, it guarantees a perfect fit. This allows for effortless clutch removal without causing any damage to your vehicle. This tool replaces OEM part number 2870506, providing the same high performance at a fraction of the cost. Get the job done effectively without overspending. Constructed from heavy-duty, heat-treated carbon steel, it's built for exceptional strength and durability. It's designed to withstand tough conditions and provide long-lasting service. To ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience, please confirm compatibility with your vehicle's year, make, and model before making your purchase. What we like. This tool offers wide compatibility across many Polaris models. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability for tough jobs. If you need a reliable and cost-effective solution to remove your primary drive clutch, this is a great choice. What people say. Pulled my clutch right off. Use grease on the thread so it back out easy. Got a 2007 Polaris Ranger 500 EFI. This tool wouldn't fit at first, but I noticed there was a bushing inside the clutch that had to be taken out. Once that was removed, this tool slipped right in. Be advised though, it takes a good bit to pop off your clutch. The main thing is to make sure this tool remains turning. Best case, spin it in by hand until you can't turn it anymore, then hit with the impact. If it binds, you can lightly tap it with a hammer, then try again. You definitely don't want it to bind up in there or you'll snap it clean into. It's a 21mm socket, and I recommend using a 6-point shallow socket on a 1-2 and drive impact wrench, air, or battery. We have the DeWalt XR20V Max and that thing struggled slightly, but after 30 seconds of impacting it popped right off. Highly recommend this tool. Fast shipping, clutch puller as described in ad, works well. Number 4. Mother Clutcher Primary Clutch for Polaris Rzr 900. Upgrade your Polaris Rzr 900 with this high-quality primary clutch. It's designed for a perfect fit and optimal performance on your 2015 and newer models. This is a brand new replacement primary clutch specifically for your Rzr 900, S, and 4 models. Get back on the trail with confidence. It comes pre-tuned with weights and springs already installed. This means it's ready to bolt on and go, saving you time and hassle. No complicated adjustments needed. Simply install this clutch and experience improved performance right away. We stand behind our product with a comprehensive 1-year warranty. Ride with peace of mind knowing you're covered. What we like. This clutch comes pre-tuned with weights and springs, making it ready to bolt on and go. If you're looking for a quick and easy upgrade for your Rzr 900, this is the perfect option for immediate performance gains. What people say. Clutch came with springs and weights. The clutch seems no different than OEM. Preformed just as if it were a new Rzr again. Engages smooth as glass even after some hard trail riding. No excessive noise. Just a good hard-working clutch. This clutch has held up to all the mud dirt roads highway riding and not a single issue. It performs perfectly. Number 3. Polaris Rzr 1000 XP and S Secondary Clutch. This is a brand new replacement secondary clutch designed for your Polaris Rzr 1000 XP and S models from 2016 and newer. It's engineered to get you back on the trail quickly. It comes fully assembled with the helix and spring already installed, meaning it's pre-tuned and ready to bolt on. You can get back to riding without any hassle. This clutch features round rollers for smooth and reliable operation. You won't find any square pucks here, ensuring a consistent performance. We stand behind the quality of this part. It's built to withstand the demands of your off-road adventures. To give you peace of mind, this secondary clutch comes with a 1-year warranty. Ride with confidence knowing you're covered. What we like. This secondary clutch is pre-tuned with a helix and spring, and features round rollers for smooth operation. If you have a newer Rzr 1000 XP or S and want a complete, ready-to-install upgrade for improved performance, this is the one to consider. What people say. Works like OEM. Worked perfectly on my Rzr 1000 Highlifter Trans and my Rzr 1000 XP Super ATV transmission. Clutch is way better than factory clutch, engages smoothly. Number 2. Polaris Rzr 1900 XP Clutch Rebuild Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Clutch Rebuild Kit, designed for your Polaris Rzr. This high-performance aftermarket part is built to last. We've tested and designed this kit for use in the most extreme conditions. It's engineered to perform when you need it most. This kit is a perfect fit for your Rzr XP 1000 models from 2014 to 2018, and Rzr XP 900 models from 2011 to 2014. It also fits the XP4 1000 and XP4 900 variants. Inside, you'll find everything you need: 6 black buttons, 6 washers, 3 pin rollers, 3 roller bushings, 3 rods, and 3 nuts. We guarantee the best quality for your powersport parts. We are committed to providing high-quality products and professional service. Not sure if it's the right fit for your UTV? Contact us to confirm compatibility. We're here to help ensure you get the right part. What we like. This is a high-performance aftermarket rebuild kit designed for extreme conditions. If you're looking to restore or enhance the performance of your Rzr 1000 or 900 primary clutch and tackle demanding off-road use, this comprehensive kit is ideal. What people say. I just rebuilt my Clutch Zero and my 2017 1000 XP. I used this kit and it worked perfectly so far. I've put 300 miles on this kit. Did the job perfectly. Number 1. Mother Clutcher Bundle for Polaris Rzr 800 and S. Introducing the Mother Clutcher Bundle, a comprehensive solution for your Polaris Rzr 800 and S models from 2010 to 2014. This package includes everything you need for a seamless upgrade. This bundle features both the primary and secondary clutches, ensuring optimal performance for your vehicle. They are designed as direct replacements for your existing units. Forget complicated adjustments. These clutches come pre-tuned with weights and springs already installed, ready to deliver enhanced performance right out of the box. Installation is a breeze as they are ready to bolt on and go. We've even included a puller tool to make the process even simpler. Ride with confidence knowing your purchase is backed by a 1-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and durability of our product. This bundle is specifically designed to fit all packages of the 2010 to 2014 Rzr 800, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal function for your off-road adventures. What we like. This bundle includes both primary and secondary clutches, plus a puller tool, all pre-tuned and ready to go. If you own a Rzr 800 from 2010 to 2014 and want a complete, hassle-free clutch upgrade solution, this package is an excellent value. What people say. These clutches are calibrated perfectly for my machine and also seem quieter. Fit great. It performs better than stock and I have no complaints. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.